5-pound propane cylinder to go in my hitch storage because the 20-pounder wouldn't fit in there. So there she be. So I'm just gonna hook that up, make sure the stove is working before I close up the bottom of the boiler. Here we go. It's like a dream. Look at that. Okay, opened her up. So I recently watched a video where they said to open this before you start your stove up. So that's done. And I'll record this so you can see if I blow up. Oh, I hear it now. Oh, got one going. Got two going. Yes. Look at those puppies. It's right up under the hood vent. Oh, that's hot. Yes. Yes. She's going.